Let's go. We are not taking this car today. Come on. I know, it's sad. Going in the van. Nice. Let's go. You comfortable? Good. Happy New Year! Welcome to 2020. What a year this is going to be. We are booked out till roughly mid-March, which is awesome. Very bad problem to have though, because people are waiting and we don't want that. So we will be looking for a worker this year, this start of the year, this half of the year, to bring those times down. They can look after the smaller to medium stuff and we can focus on the bigger things and get those wait times down. So thanks in advance for your patience, and thanks to those who are currently waiting to have their cars worked on by us. What else? People have been asking about the Charade. That's going well, thank you. The alternator died on it. Easy fix, couple $100, 100, 180 bucks, whatever it was, off eBay. And that's running up good. We got the rebar painted, and we got a genuine Series 2 front bar, turbo front bar, sourced and painted as well. So I'll put some videos of that. So you can see, yeah, it's got the red pinstriping now, and it's all redone to a factory spec, so it looks awesome. We need new rear springs, because the rear springs are crap on that. Sitting a bit low, a bit bouncy. And then wheels. I don't know what to do with wheels. We're thinking either just space them out to fill the guards, or just source some new wheels. They're a weird stud pattern. They're 4x110, so that's like your old RX-7 stud pattern. I don't know. We'll see. No rush on that, but it's going good. Happily sitting on 13 PSI. Drives awesome. Yeah, it's going good. So what else? I'm on the way to Rob's house now. My brother slash business partner slash ball breaker, you know, him. Yep, that guy. We have got our work area. We've got the floor epoxied and got nice flake in it and looks top. So we're gonna go see that now. Painted one of the walls black, and we're just putting everything back together to start our working week next week. So we've had a bit longer holidays than we normally do. I feel actually guilty a little bit, but God, it feels good. We've been doing a few jobs here in between, can't help ourselves, but holidays. You're never really on holidays, are you? Nah. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna go see this garage floor now. Start piecing the garage back together and do a few errands, do a few things here and there. Might wash the van, and yeah. Look at that. Wow. Sexy. How are you?
Beautiful, mate. Busy making magic here, Luis. Huh? Can't even call it a workshop, it's a showroom.
It's too nice now. Nice. that will conclude today's video. We've got the two boys over there doing something. Basically the point of this video is just to say hello, keep you up to date with where we're at, and that we're finally back on track, back in action I should say. And yeah, watch this space, heaps to come this year, big plans, and like I said, we'll be looking for someone to start up with us and join the family and teach them our ways. So until then,